This is Fox 44 Weather with Chief Meteorologist Mike LaPointe.
The very latest right now on our exclusive Viper radar. Into McLennan County we go, the northwestern part of McLennan County as well as Bosque County. As you work your way over toward Hamilton and just to the northern part of Coryell County, all under severe thunderstorm warnings at this time. There's a tracker, but before I even tell you some of these times here, the main threat has been large hail. We are talking tennis ball to baseball size hail been reported with these storms. We're talking 2.5 to 2.75 inch in diameter hail. Very large hail as it tracks to the southeast at about 30 miles per hour. There's a tracker on it. Takes it over toward the Woodway area at 621, Beverly Hills at 623, Hewitt at 625. Robinson around 629. Once again, not only are we seeing some large hail with this, we're also seeing some very heavy rainfall, which is leading to some isolated flooding. It's so saturated right now across the region, but this warning that's in effect goes until 6:45 this evening. We're also watching what's going on up in Limestone County as well as Hill County. Another severe thunderstorm warning that goes until 7 o'clock. Once again, could see tennis ball size hail over toward the Malone area, over toward Hubbard. So make sure you've got your car pulled inside the garage or a carport someplace where you can kind of keep it safe here. This is some very, very large hail. Now, areas down around San Saba and then pushing over toward Llano, we've got a tornado warning. Doppler radar indicated tornado at this time. So the Doppler radar is seeing the turning of the winds inside the thunderstorm. Once again, there's a tracker on some of the communities that are in line as it tracks to the southeast. So if you live in the Llano area, you need to be heading to your safe shelter right now. Get in the center part of your home. Stay away from windows. You want to get to a bathroom, maybe a closet. Those are the best places to be in. Again, a severe weather threat throughout the evening. I've got hail in the high category. Again, hail 2.5 to 2.75 inches in diameter. It's large, as well as flooding too. That is a problem. Turn around, don't drive through the flooded ground. Remember that. Turn around, don't drown. The tornado and the wind in the moderate category. So we're seeing just about everything right now in all modes of severe weather. Tornado watch in effect for the Waco area, Gatesville down toward Lampasas. That runs until 9 o'clock this evening. And just issued a few minutes ago from the Storm Prediction Center, a severe thunderstorm watch now for the Brazos Valley. It does include Bell County, Milam County, and areas off to the east and to the south. That runs through until midnight. Once again, that's because of the very large hail that we are seeing right now, and that's marching to the southeast. So here's our forecast. 7 o'clock tonight, showers and thunderstorms out ahead of a front. Notice how they're very cellular. That's because they're supercell thunderstorms and they're able to produce the very large hail, and that's what we are seeing. By 9 o'clock, starting to slide a little bit farther southeast of Waco, Temple, and Killeen, but heading down toward the Brazos Valley, and by midnight, it's out of here. The front down to the south of us now, we start to see that drier and that cooler air begins to push in to our region. I expect partly cloudy skies as we go throughout the day tomorrow with temperatures in the 70s. For the most part, there could be a few 80s from time to time. Any shower activity will be well to our south where the front kind of stalls out. It will move through tonight, but it's going to stall out to the south of us, and that will play some havoc with us as we hit Mother's Day here across the region. I think most of your Saturday looks dry. Maybe a few upper level showers may develop to the north of us, but Sunday is going to be the wet day. But tonight, let's talk about the severe weather that we are seeing out there. Those showers and storms before 10 o'clock. I think we'll quiet down later. 64 degrees, and we'll keep an eye on the large hail. And then tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, 79 degrees. Will be your high. Here's the long-range 10-day forecast brought to you by Tanner Roofing. There's the wet day on Sunday. Showers and even an isolated thunderstorm. Not looking for severe weather because of that front to the south of us, but we're looking for soggy conditions. It looks like some warmer weather on the way. Next week, temperatures will be in the 80s for highs. Lows will be in the 60s, and then down toward Bryan and College Station. 83 tomorrow, 81 on Saturday. A good bet that it might be wet for Mother's Day here in the Brazos Valley. And then temperatures mid to upper 80s right on through the period.